For your consideration is this extra clean, if not close to near mint, dual 1228 turntable. As you can see in the light, the lid is very presentable with no scratches in it to be found, but it does have a very small crack here in the front, and it has 3 small hairline cracks on the side, as you can see. Wood base is very nice with all 4 original foot extensions still in place. Very nice other than those hairline marks. Brightwork is very nice. All lettering is intact. It does have a small ding here by the stop button, as you can see. This is fitted with a Grado GF3 cartridge and a genuine Grado stylus. Stacker spindle is all that's included with this sale. No single play spindle is included with this table. We have record drop, arm over, smooth cue down. Pitch control is working. Strobe is lit. It shows the speed is accurate and dead on. We have auto return. We have auto start. Function lever centered. We have manual cue. At the end of the record, auto return and system down. Thanks for considering.